Hey, Ma. Hi, baby girl. What are you doing there? Laying next to the wrought iron chairs, huh? You big old girl. Ma. What are you doing? Yeah. You just laying there tired, huh? You tired? Yeah, you tired? Well, she's sleepy. Aren't you, honey? You sleepy? Yes, you are, aren't you? He's a big old dog. Aren't you, Maya? Hmm? You my baby girl? Yes, you are. Laying around on this cool night. Soaking up the weather. Aren't you, Maya? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. She's a good girl. Huh? You a good girl, Maya? You a good girl? Yeah? Yeah. Where's your toy? Where's your stick? Where's your stick at? Hmm? What'd you do with your stick? Where'd you put your stick? Hmm? Where'd you put your stick? Let me see. Where's it at? Where's your stick at? Oh, there it is. Yeah, there's her stick. She got her stick. Wow. Maya's got her stick. Don't you, Maya? Maya, got your stick? Yeah, she's got her stick. She wants to go play in the yard. I don't want to take her because I'm tired. She wants to play, don't you? Yes, you do, don't you, Maya? Well, she just wants to play. Yes, she does. She's wagging her tail. She wants to go throw some stick. We're going to go throw some stick. Want to throw some stick? Huh? You want to throw some stick? Play with your toy? Yeah? You want to go play with your toy? Ball. Yeah? Do you want to play, Maya, or what? Hmm? Do you want to play? Come here. Sit down. Sit down. Good girl. Good girl. Give me a paw. Give me a paw. Come on. No, give me the other one. Give me. No, no, no. I'm not going to do it. Maya, sit down. Sit down. Come on. Sit down. Give me the other paw. Oh, forget it then. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. Sit down. Sit down. Good girl. Down. All the way. Good girl. Up. Yes, good girl. You ready to play? Let's go play.